Emma sees water under the kitchen sink.
The kitchen sink is leaking under the cabinet.
Daniel asks what happened.
What happened?
Emma explains when it started.
Water started dripping after I washed the dishes.
She wants maintenance to check it.
I need maintenance to check it before the floor gets wet.
Daniel supports Emma.
Good idea.
They decide to report the problem.
Let's deal with it now.
Emma gets ready.
Okay, I think I am ready.
Daniel offers to come with her.
Do you want me to come with you?
Emma accepts the help.
Yes, please.
The maintenance worker welcomes them. Hi. How can I help you? Emma repeats the sink problem.
The kitchen sink is leaking under the cabinet.
She describes the dripping water.
Water started dripping after I washed the dishes.
The worker checks the faucet. Is the water still running? Emma explains the faucet is off.
I turned the faucet off, but it's still dripping underneath.
The worker checks the floor. Is there a lot of water on the floor? Emma explains what she did.
Not yet. I put some towels down.
The worker asks for details. Hi, there is a leak under the kitchen sink. Emma reports the apartment problem.
Our kitchen sink is leaking.
The worker offers a visit window. I can visit on Thursday between 1 and 3. Emma checks the appointment.
So that is another option?
The worker confirms. Yes. Emma has to leave soon. Emma has to leave for class soon. She asks how long she can stay.
I can stay for another 30 minutes.
The maintenance worker schedules the visit. Maintenance offers a visit window. Emma accepts the time.
That sounds reasonable.
Emma accepts the plan.
Okay, let's do that.
The worker promises to help. Sure. I'll take care of it. Emma asks if anything else is needed.
Is there anything else I need to do?
The worker offers more help. I'll let you know if I need anything else. Emma reports the leak again.
Hi, there is a leak under the kitchen sink.
The worker finds the loose connection. The worker finds a loose connection and repairs the leak. Emma checks the repair.
So we are all set.
The worker confirms the repair. Yes, you are all set. Emma asks what to remember.
Is there anything I should remember?
The worker gives a final reminder. Keep the maintenance number in case you need help. Emma thanks the worker.
Thank you for your help.
The worker answers politely. You are welcome. Emma feels better after the repair.
How do you feel now?
Daniel answers.
Much better.
Emma reflects on the lesson.
I actually used a lot of useful English today.
The lesson becomes real-life practice. Real-life practice. The lesson reviews the key phrases. Let's review the key phrases. A tenant reports a leaking sink.
The sink is leaking.
A tenant describes the water.
There's water under the cabinet.
A tenant explains the faucet.
I turned the faucet off.
A tenant asks about timing.
When can maintenance come?
A tenant asks for a repair.
Could you please send someone to fix it?
A tenant reports another faucet problem. Your bathroom faucet won't stop dripping. Ask maintenance for help.
My kitchen sink is leaking. Can you send someone to fix it?
Now it is your turn. How would you report a problem in your apartment? The maintenance lesson is complete. Practice these phrases out loud.